guys, in this video we're going to be bringing you to the top best family hotels in Shimla with the cheapest booking codes. You can get the best hotel deal at the best price. For those of you looking out for honeymoon hotels in Shimla, we've also compiled a list of that and the link is in our description below. The Taj Tioga Resort and Spa. This is a 5-star resort in Shimla. You wake up to the breathtaking views of the snow-clad mountains from your lavish suites. You can also enjoy the experience under the stars with a personal live barbecue. You also have an option to plan your thrilling experiences with the guided tours at the resort. The Taj Resort is one of the few resorts in Shimla which has an indoor heated swimming pool. You can also enjoy the Ayurvedic massages at the Jiva Spa at the Taj Resort. They also have a fitness center and in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service. The Taj is definitely known for its amazing hospitality. This resort has different categories of rooms available starting from 22,000 which goes up to 45,000 depending upon the category of rooms you choose. We have also attached the links in our description below for your direct booking. The Marina Shimla is next up on our list. This is Shimla's first designer boutique hotel, also one of the 5-star hotels in Shimla. The rooms here offer beautiful, imposing hills, picture-perfect landscapes, which are all set to turn your trip into a perfect holiday. This hotel is situated at Mall Road, which is the center of the city, which makes it accessible to all the tourist points. The hotel has a fitness center, it has an indoor swimming pool, it also has an in-house restaurant as well as a bar. You can enjoy the amazing views of the beautiful city from your bedroom windows. This hotel is recommended for people who are traveling along with their family and want to explore this beautiful city. Now the hotel has different categories of rooms available, priced at about 10,000 rupees which goes up to 25,000 rupees depending upon the category of room that you select. To make it easier for you, we've attached the links in our description below. The Welcome Hotel by IDC Shimla is next up on our list. This is one of the 5-star hotels away from the crowd where you can enjoy the mesmerizing views of the hills. It is 20 minutes away from the plush evergreen forest where you can enjoy picture-perfect Himalayas served as a backdrop. This hotel provides with all the basic amenities and facilities. It has a car hire available at the resort. The hotel has a fitness center, a bar, as well as a restaurant providing 24-hour room service with a widespread of multi-cuisine menu. It is also one of the ideal hotels where you want to spend time with your family and your loved ones. The hotel here has different categories of rooms available starting from 12,000 rupees which goes up to 22,000 rupees. And to make it easier for you, we've attached the links in our description below. The Woodville Palace by Singdom is next up on our list. For all those of you who want to enjoy the beautiful sights of Shimla, this is the perfect place for you. This hotel is 5 minutes away from the city center. It provides access to all the tourist points. They provide you with high quality room facilities. They also have an indoor gaming section where you can enjoy table tennis and billiards. This is also one of the only hotels in Shimla which has a nightclub as well as a bar in the hotel. They also have a private seating area at the lawn where you can enjoy the beautiful sunset. This hotel is family friendly and also couple friendly, so don't forget to book a family room if you're visiting Shimla along with your family. The rooms here are priced at about 4,300 which goes up to 6,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. To make it easier for you, we've attached the links in our description below. The Hotel Willow Banks is next up on our list. This is a colonial style hotel where you can enjoy the beautiful views of Shimla Valley and the mountains. This hotel is located on Mall Road, which is one of the busiest streets of Shimla. The Sky Bar here is Shimla's only rooftop and hookah lounge, which is available only at the Hotel Villa Banks. You can also enjoy their Ayurvedic massages at the Akasa Spa in the hotel. They also have services of a sauna, a steam. They also have an indoor gaming section where you can enjoy billiards and table tennis facilities. The in-house restaurant here comes with a stunning view of the mountains. Now this hotel has different categories of rooms available starting from 6,000 rupees which goes up to 15,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. You can also enjoy the hot tub depending upon the room category that you have selected. Don't forget to check the links in our description below. If you're enjoying this video, please drop us a like button and also do subscribe back to our channel to get information about various hotel deals in different cities. The Marley Villa is next up on our list. This is 5 minutes away from the Shimla Mall, also known as the heart of Shimla. The guests here can enjoy the beautiful sunset and sunrise from the property itself. They have beautiful lush green lawns overlooking the valley. This villa provides you with all the basic facilities and amenities. It also has an indoor gaming section. It has a barbecue section, a bonfire. They also have a separate tours and treks desk where you can plan your day tours. This villa also has
villa is absolutely family and kid friendly. It is priced at around 9,900 rupees for a 3 BHK. We have also attached the links in our description below for your direct booking.
The Legacy Shimla is next up on our list. This hotel is about 5 to 10 minutes away from the busy Mall Road. This hotel provides all the basic facilities and amenities. The amenities include a restaurant and a lounge plus a terrace. They also provide bonfire facilities. The hotel here has a tour desk where you can plan your day tours. The hotel has different categories of rooms available starting from 2,300 which goes up to 12,000 rupees. If you're visiting Shimla with your family, don't forget to book a family room which sleeps up to 4 guests and you can enjoy the beautiful city views from these rooms. We have also attached the hotel booking links in our description below. The Legacy Shimla is next up on our list. This hotel is about 5 to 10 minutes away from the busy Mall Road. This hotel provides all the basic facilities and amenities. The amenities include a restaurant and a lounge plus a terrace. They also provide bonfire facilities. The hotel here has a tour desk where you can plan your day tours. The hotel has different categories of rooms available starting from 2,300 which goes up to 12,000 rupees. If you're visiting Shimla with your family, don't forget to book a family room which sleeps up to 4 guests and you can enjoy the beautiful city views from these rooms. We have also attached the hotel booking links in our description below.
The Northwood Cottage by Vista Rooms is next up on our list. This is one of the heritage properties which was built in 1916. This cottage is one of the most reasonable options for people looking for a villa in Shimla. You can relax yourself at the lounge corner and enjoy the walks at the beautiful lush green garden in the cottage. The cottage also has services like outdoor sports and indoor games like billiards and darts. You can also work out and burn the calories at the in-house gym. This cottage is very well equipped with the basic amenities and facilities. This cottage is a 3 BHK which is priced at around 18,000 rupees which also includes a complimentary breakfast. Please note that this cottage is not for unmarried couples or bachelors. They only provide this cottage for family and married couples. And to make it easier for your booking, we have provided the links in our description below.
The Groom Bridge is next up on our list. This hotel is 15 minutes away from the Mall Road. The hotel provides with a shared lounge and a terrace. You can also enjoy the buffet breakfast every morning at the Groom Bridge. The restaurant here provides extremely excellent food and it provides 24-hour room service. The Groom Bridge also has options of family rooms. The rooms here are extremely spacious and comfortable. They are priced at about 5,500 which goes up to 7,500 depending upon the room category that you select. And to make it easier for you, we have attached the links in our description below. That's it from us guys in the top best family hotels in Shimla. We hope we've helped you select the best hotel for your stay. Don't forget to check the links in our description below for your direct hotel booking.